how to buy utility CJournal token. So this token came under the symbol of UCGL. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address, it's under the BNB Smart Chain. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Go to your wallet, select the BNB Smart Chain from the network. As you can see, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon. Now go back to your wallet to find your token. So this is it. Click on it. Click on swap here, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive here, as you can see. Now after that, click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy UCGL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.